applause for their guest today, Mr. Rahul Maheshwari.
Hey, I'm Rahul Maheshwari. I have been a cloud architect at Google. Apart from this, I have worked as a software development engineer at Adobe. Currently, I'm the founder of Linux Socials, my own startup, which is a edtech.
My name is Rahul. I am from Punjab. I have been working as a software development engineer at Amazon.
We welcome you, sir, to lovely professional university.
Today I came here at LPU to guide students regarding the placements and how can they crack for the bank companies.
How to approach a hackathon within that confined 24 hours is the ask.
Many of you are looking to become a SDE, a software development engineer. The kind of love, पीछे पड़ने वाली जो audience होती है. Very honestly saying, I have got one of the maximum responses from LPU.
So talking about the future, it will be more like edge computing. So cloud will move close to the users, cloud will move close to the developers.
I think the future is based on cloud technologies only.
First of all, try and approach something that can be quantified.
We need to update ourselves with that knowledge and then we implement that knowledge.